how to change the water filter cartridge in your Samsung fridge. So the red light is on. That means you have to change your water filter cartridge. Okay, first thing to do is go inside the fridge and take a look at their model code number. Then a quick order to Amazon. They come in a box of 3. Your cartridge also comes in with months and dates for stickers, just to remind you when you change your filter. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Notice the cartridge is in the lock position. To unlock it, twist counterclockwise. To the left. You may have to use 2 hands like I did because it's in pretty tight. And there you go. It's that easy. Now let's take out our new cartridge, unwrap the wrapper, and twist off the blue cap. Now install it by pushing it inward and rotating it to the right, clockwise, until the arrow meets the lock position. Wait, we're not done yet. Now we're going to purge out any air bubbles that's in the water lines. And so the instruction says to flush out the filter for about 6 to 8 minutes, or between 3 to 4 gallons. For us Canadians, it's 11 to 15 liters. Also, the new filter has a lifetime of 300 gallons. And that's just over 1,100 liters. And to reset our red light, just go to the alarm and hold and press for 3 seconds. And that's it. Nice and simple. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.